Hey everyone! In this video, we'll walk you through how to download and install the BricksMade plugin for the default native framework and how to import designs. First, head over to the BricksMade dashboard and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click the BricksMade Framework download button and copy your license key for the activation process later. Next, go to your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to Plugins and click Add New Plugin, then click Upload Plugin. Choose the BricksMade zip file you just downloaded and click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click Activate Plugin. After activation, go to BricksMade and select Native Framework as your design system. Here, paste your license key and click Activate License. The plugin is now installed and activated. By default, the Layers design set is active. Before importing blocks and pages, there's one small setting we need to enable in the Bricks settings. Go to the Builder tab, scroll down, and enable Import Pasted Images/SVGs, then click Save Settings. This allows you to import BricksMade designs with images. Now the wait is over. Let's head over to Pages and click Edit with Bricks. Now, to copy designs, head over to the BricksMade dashboard. Let's start with blocks, so click Blocks. As of now, we have 500 plus blocks and 64 templates, and we're adding new blocks and templates every week. So by the time you're watching this video, you'll likely have even more available. First, let's filter native-only blocks so we don't accidentally copy designs from the wrong framework. Let's use the CTA35 block. Here, you'll see two copy options, Copy and BEM. First, let's click Copy. Paste the block into the Import option in the Bricks Builder inside the Structure panel. Boom! The beautiful block is imported and looks perfect on both tablet and mobile. Let's take a look at the text element styles. In native designs, all styling is applied at the ID level. For example, the color and font size variables are assigned directly to the element ID. Now, let's compare this with a BEM design. We'll use the exact same block, but with BEM styling. Just click the BEM button to copy it. Now, if we look at the same text element, you'll notice that in BAM designs, all styling is applied at the class level. A class named BMC-CTA-35 _text has been added. In the BEM methodology, styling is always applied using CSS classes. BEM stands for Block, Element, Modifier. Like this, every element's styling is applied through classes. Now let's import a template page. Let's jump into the BricksMade plugin admin page. These are all the available templates. Let's use the search. For this example, Skyla. You can preview the template by clicking Preview. For now, let's go ahead and click Install. Here are the changes that will be applied after importing this design set. You can uncheck any items if needed, then click Import Selected. Now to copy the template design, head over to the BricksMade dashboard. Click Templates, then let's open the same template, Skyla. On the Skyla template page, click the Native Filter tab. Here, you'll find all the pages and templates used in the Skyla template. Let's copy the home page and paste it into the builder. A message appeared saying Class Conflict Detected. Don't worry, this simply means you already have a class named AltShade, and the imported design includes a class with the same name. For now, just click Skip Class Import. We'll cover class conflicts and how to handle them in detail in upcoming videos. And boom, the page has been imported successfully. Let's check it out on the front end. The page looks perfect, with all scroll animations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.